Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. Today, before we get started, guys, I want to ask you guys who haven't subscribed to my channel, I ask you to do so now. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right next to it so that you'll receive notification of all my upcoming videos. I have a lot more great videos, good stuff that's coming out, and one-of-a-kind stuff that you probably haven't seen before. So if you like the channel, and you are subscribed already, I want to thank you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so now before you forget. Leave a comment. I always like to read the comments, and other people do also. And hit that like button so we can they help the channel out, man. I appreciate it. And so with that being said, let's just get after it. Today I want to show y'all my newest tool, my newest accessory tool that I bought and that I'm planning on using a lot of. This is something new by AMPROBE. This is, like brand new to the market. I haven't seen anything advertised or anything, no videos on this yet. I bet this is the first one. You may see a lot more after this, but I'm telling you guys, what I have before you, a lot of you guys gonna use. There's a lot of you do-it-yourselfers out there, homeowners, even you professionals that's out there. And for sure, you young apprentices, stuff like this, man, you want to get it. You want to get a hold to something like this. A lot of your old heads out there, you probably don't, stuck in your ways. You probably don't want to buy nothing. You probably have something made up already that could do what these do. And that's okay too, if you feel safe using that. But because a lot of this stuff here, what you see before you, I've made this stuff before. If you see my recent previous videos, I've made little stuff like this to work. But this is, these are some nice adapters. And, again, I don't get paid for none of this here. I just love what I do. I've been doing this for a lot of years, and I love what I do. And I like to just share, when I run across something that's really good, I like to share it. So with that being said, guys, this is the new AMPROBE ADP Kit 1 light check adapter kit. You get the adapter kit with 5 light check adapters in carrying case. Let me see. What else they have? So light check adapter can be used with the following products. Okay, so they saying what, and the sizes for these things, if you guys know about that. There's the larger one right here, that would be an E27. The one like for a ceiling fan bulb, that with the Edison base on it. These two with the Edison bases on it, and that would be an E14. This one like goes under the range hood, under your stove, on top of your stove, or those track lighting, LED track lighting. The base be like this. You put it in your locket. This would be a GU10, and this larger one right here would be a B22. And this one, the smaller one with the lock, put it in locket, it'll be a B15. Now, let me see, they say optimal and safe contact to light points, tactile, finger guard safety barrier, that's up here, okay. Compact and durable, simple one-hand operation, and low contact resistance for accurate line impedance measurement. Output, 4mm safety socket. Voltage range, 102 to 253 volts AC. Nominal current, up to 2 amps continuous. Cover peaks while loop line measurements. And electrical safety, IEC 610-1 is UL listed, and Canadian CSA listed, and also AMPROBE division of Fluke, and it says it's been tested in, no, that's not the one, I'm sorry. Okay, and that's it. Well, anyway, guys, put this right here. You got one more look at it, as you can see, in case you didn't see the sizes up there. And let you see the back before we get started. That's the side of the box. Here's the other side. Now, these gonna come in very handy for me. I can see myself out of all five. I can see myself using this one, and this one the most out of the entire five. This one with the larger Edison base. This is gonna be for the regular incandescent bulbs, or you may have LEDs that go bad all the time. This is gonna be a quick check for me. This one also for the ceiling fans, the little small bulbs or chandeliers that you can't really get into. You know, this is going to come in handy, and this is going to come in handy for those under the counter LED lights or track lighting. It's going to come in very handy. This is the pouch that it comes with. All of them fit inside, have their own little individual slots that they come in. I mean, that they fit inside of. Sorry, here we go. And here we go. And that's how it fits. Close it up. And that's it. So I just want to tell you guys about this. This is something brand new to the market. And you guys may even want one of these things. I know this going to help me out a great deal. So when I find something out, guys, I like to share it with you guys. Some of you may even know about this already. Some of you, like I say, some of you might even have made one of these already, and this could be no use for you. But for you younger guys out there who just starting out, man, get yourself all the tools you need, because you're going to run across stuff like this. And, buy it, man. Get it. I recommend that you get all the tools that you have to get. And I just want to show one of you guys how it works. This was an Edison base right here. It just screws in here. I do have a 120 volt. Let me show you right quickly how this would work. That would plug in the back of there. That would plug in there. And I'm gonna plug it in. Well, let me turn it on first. There we go. 120 volts. Just going to take the guesswork out of a lot of little service calls, or those little calls where you going out and you can make you some extra money. Quick fixes. So that's how easy it works, guys. Now, these two are marked for polarity. These are not, because this one is, but the polarity don't matter with these. But this one it does, and this one it does. But man, I give this a perfect 10. I can use this all day long. Okay, guys, so don't want to hold you up. I want to thank y'all guys for allowing me to take up your time. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. I want to thank you guys for watching. With that being said, you don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thanks again. Peace out.